Hop, 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 a bunny so small, bouncing along so cheerful and tall, fluffy and bright with a nose so cute, wiggling whiskers, oh what a hoot. Peep, 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 who do I see? A red little chick and a blue one so free. Flapping their wings they jump with cheer. Let's play together, they say loud and clear. 1, 2, 3, come play with me. Hide real quick, where could you be? Behind the flower, behind the tree. I'll find you soon, just wait and see. Tickle, tickle, laugh and run. A fluffy tail means tickling fun. Round and round we dance and play. Giggles and joy fill the day. Jump up high, reach the sky, bouncing low and jumping high. Who can leap with the biggest cheer? Little chicks and bunny deer. Splish and splash, what a sight. Water sparkles in the light. Jumping in with a happy sound, making ripples all around. Munch, munch, crunch so sweet. A carrot snack is such a treat. Peck, peck, seeds so small. Yummy food for one and all. The moon shines bright, the stars do gleam. Time to rest, time to dream. Bunny and chicks, snug and tight. Good night, dear friends, sleep well tonight.
Tuttuguttu.